Assalamu alaikum.
Okay.
Is there any evidence in Quran that how and why Musa came to Makkah?
Okay. The question is, he's asking a proof or evidence that Medina he came. Now you want that he should Medina how and why he came to Makkah. That's the question. Okay. Then Surah Al-Qasas 28, ayah 24. فَسَقَى لَهُمَا ثُمَّ تَوَلَّى إِلَى الظِّلِّ فَقَالَ رَبِّي إِنِّي لِمَا أَنزَلْتَ إِلَيَّ مِنْ خَيْرٍ فَقِيرٍ. After watering those two sisters, he gave drink to both of them, then he turned away towards the shade. Then he said, My Lord, surely I am needy. From whatever betterment you reveal to me, I will take it. I am a needy person. Whatever betterment, good you give me, I will take it. So he was asking Allah that he is faqir. Faqir means poor, needy. So I would like whatever Allah revealed to me, I will take it. Betterment. So now these two girls, I am narrating why he came to Mecca. Surah Qasas 28-25 وَجَاءَتْهُ إِحْدَاهُمَا تَمْشِي عَلَى اسْتِحْيَاءٍ قَالَتْ إِنَّ أَبِي يَدْعُوكَ لِيَجْزِيَكَ أَجْرَ مَا سَقَيْتَ لَنَا فَلَمَّا جَاءَهُ وَقَصَّ عَلَيْهِ الْقَصَصَ قَالَ لَا تَخَفْ نَجَوْتَ مِنَ الْقَوْمِ الظَّالِمِينَ. Then one of them came to him. She walks over shyness. She said, surely my father invites you, and he will reward you a wage of what you watered, gave drink for us. So when he came to him, he narrated over him the relationship narration. He said, you do not fear, you have been saved from the people who are oppressors. Now after watering those two sisters, he was sitting in a shade and asking from Allah to give him something better. So one of the two sisters, one sister came to Musa salam and said, my father wants to give you a reward because you help us in water, you watered us. So my father is asking to come over and take this reward. So Musa salam came to the father of the girl, one of the girl. And he narrated himself that where I was in Egypt, so to say, and then from there I came here, there was fight was going, I hit every narration he told. So that gentleman is a religious person, a very religious man, and of course a Muslim, of course. So he said, you do not fear, you have been saved from the people who are oppressors. You have been saved. Meaning he recognized that this is a good man, in spite of the fact he has killed somebody. He said, you are a good man, no matter, you have been saved from those people. After father listening to this narration of Musa salam, remember the girl said, he will give you wage or reward for the watering. So Al-Qasas 28-26, that one of the girls said, قَالَتْ إِحْدَاهُمَا يَا أَبَتِ اسْتَأْجِرْهُ إِنَّ خَيْرَ مَنِ اسْتَأْجَرْتَ الْقَوِيُّ الْأَمِينُ. One of them girls said, O my father, seek reward from him. Surely you seek reward who is strong and the trustworthy. Now after he narrated this narration to his father, that one of the girls said, you seek reward from him. To Musa alayhi salam, what she said? That he will reward you. To Musa alayhi salam, he said, come, my father will give you reward. After he narrated the narration, what happened? The daughter said, you father seek reward from him. Surely you seek reward from who is strong, he is qawi, and trustworthy. You following what I am saying? When the daughter said, come over, my father will give you reward. When Musa salam narrated the narration, what happened and why he is here, so she said to the father, you take reward from him. You take reward from him, seek reward from him, because he is strong and trustworthy. Look what's going on. So now the father realizes, I should seek reward. In Surah Qasas 28-27, قَالَ إِنِّي أُرِيدُ أَنْ أُنْكِحَكَ إِحْدَى ابْنَتَيَّ هَاتَيْنِ ala an ta'jurani thamaniya hijaj fa in atmamta ashara famin indik wama uridu an ashqa alayk satajiduni inshallah min as-salihin. He said, surely I intend to marry from one of these two daughters with you. On that you will give me a reward for 8 Hajj. 8 Hajj. And if you complete 10, then it is on you. And I do not intend to make hardship on you, if Allah wills. Soon you will find me from those who correct themselves. So now the father said, I will reward you that you can marry one of the daughters. Meaning, I can't force you to marry this one or this one, whom Musa salam, like one of the daughters. And I want the reward from you now of 8 Hajj. And if you complete 10, that is from you. That is an option given to Musa. I want 8, but if you complete 10 Hajj, that is on you. And I don't want to put you in difficulty, a hardship. So now you understand why he is going to Mecca? For Hajj. And Hajj for who? For the old man. That is known as Hajj-e-Badal. In exchange, this is being practiced in the world till today. Hajj-e-Badal, where did they got the idea to exchange? You cannot, if I have to offer salah, I cannot offer salah of somebody. Can I? Can I fast for somebody? No, I have to fast, I have to establish a salah. I do not, every individual has to perform himself or herself for all the things except for Hajj. You can see the practice going on in the world. And that Musa salam did it in return for this ajr to this old man. 8 Hajj he wanted. You go for 8 Hajj for me. Give me the reward. Or if you complete 10, it's on you. I want for 8. Now, this is why he came to Mecca. The question why he came, how he came to Mecca. So now we have to find out, did he do 8 Hajj or 10?
10.
But you know for why he came to Mecca. Because of the Hajj he came. We know this. Now we have to find out, did he went for 8 or 10? Because he said, if you do it 10, it will be good for me. Otherwise, I don't want to put you into hardships. Surah Al-Araf 7:142. وَوَعَدْنَا مُوسَى 30 لَيْلَةً وَأَتْمَمْنَاهَا بِعَشْرٍ فَتَمَّ مِيقَاتُ رَبِّهِ 40 لَيْلَةً وقال موسى لأخيه هارون اخلفني في قومي وأصلح ولا تتبع سبيل المفسدين. And we took a promise with Musa of 30 nights and we completed with 10. Then completed the place of time of his Lord 40 nights. And Musa said for his brother Harun, you be a Khalifa, succeed in my people and correct, and you do not follow the way of those who are corrupt. Now Musa salam, Allah says we took a promise from Musa salam, Moses, of 30 and 10 nights. Now we have to find out what are those 30 and 10 nights. The promise was taken by Allah, took a promise from Musa salam for 30 nights and 10 nights. What are those 40 nights? You understand what I'm saying? 40 nights. So for 30 nights, I will explain. You know this Al-Baqarah 2:185. Shahru Ramadan alladhi unzila fil Quran hudal linnas wa bayyinatin min al-huda wal furqan faman shahida minkum ash-shahra falyasumhu wa man kana maridan aw ala safarin fa'iddatun min ayyamin ukhar. Yuridu Allahu bikum al-yusr wa la yuridu bikum al-usr wa litukmilu al-iddah wa litukabbiru Allah ala ma hadakum wa la'allakum tashkurun. Ramadan is the month in which the Quran was sent down as a guidance for mankind, and the clarification from the guidance and from the criterion. And so, from whosoever witnessed that month, then he should fast in it. And who is sick or on a journey, then he count in other days. Allah intends easiness with you and He does not intend difficulty with you. So you complete the counting and seek Allah's greatness. On that He gave you guidance so that you may be thankful. So 30 nights can be understood by in the month of Ramadan we fast. And this is the forbidden or the muhtaram or the sacred month, Ramadan. You understand? Ramadan is Quran says there are 4 sacred months. You know this? There are 4 sacred months. So one month, this month it starts from Ramadan. In this month we fast for how many? 29 or 30. But I am taking the 30 nights these 30 nights were these 30 nights. And we have to find the 10 nights more. So in Surah Al-Baqarah 196 ayat it says, وَأَتِمُّ الْحَجَّ وَالْعُمْرَةَ لِلَّهِ فَإِنْ أُحْصِرْتُمْ فَمَا اسْتَيْسَرَ مِنَ الْهَدْيِ وَلَا تَحْلِقُوا رُؤُوسَكُمْ حَتَّى يَبْلُغَ الْهَدْيُ مَحِلَّهُ فَمَنْ كَانَ مِنْكُمْ مَرِيضًا أَوْ بِهِ أَذًى مِنْ رَأْسِهِ فَفِدْيَةٌ مِنْ صِيَامٍ أَوْ صَدَقَةٍ أَوْ نُسُكٍ فَإِذَا أَمِنْتُمْ فَمَنْ تَمَتَّعَ بِالْعُمْرَةِ إِلَى الْحَجِّ فَمَا اسْتَيْسَرَ مِنَ الْهَدْيِ فَمَنْ لَمْ يَجِدْ فَصِيَامُ 3 أَيَّامٍ فِي الْحَجِّ وَسَبْعَةٍ إِذَا رَجَعْتُمْ تِلْكَ 10 كَامِلَةٌ ذَلِكَ لِمَنْ لَمْ يَكُنْ أَهْلُهُ حَاضِرِي الْمَسْجِدِ الْحَرَامِ وَاتَّقُوا اللَّهَ وَاعْلَمُوا أَنَّ اللَّهَ شَدِيدُ الْعِقَابِ. And complete Hajj and Umrah visiting for Allah. If you are being restricted, so seek what is easy from the gift, mean from the hadiyah from the cattle, and you do not shave your heads until the gift has reached its place of slaughter. So whoever is sick from you, or with him there is a hurt from his head, then you ransom, redeem from fasting, or charity, or reclusion, solitude. Then when you are secure, so who enjoyed Umrah visiting towards Hajj, pilgrimage, so seek what is easy from the gift from the cattle. Then whosoever does not find, then fasting for 3 days in Hajj, pilgrimage, and 7 when you return, that is the complete 10. That is to whom his family is not present in the sacred mosque, and take guard of Allah, and know that surely Allah is strong, severe in pursuit. Now in this whole ayat, I am just emphasizing the point that if you go to Hajj, and you are not able to get the hadiyah, you are not able to give hadiyah, or you are not able to slaughter the animal, the cattle. So I'll just explain this 3 years. You see, if you go to Hajj, all of us, this order is that if you are not able to give sacrifice, hadiyah to Allah by sacrificing a cattle, maybe a goat or anything, or a camel or the cattle, any of the cattle, cow, camel, goats, anything, you have to. Now suppose you are not able to, then you have to fast there in the days of the Hajj. You have to fast there, three fast in Hajj, and 7 when you return back to where you have come from. So that becomes 10. 3 there and 7 back when you are back into your hometown, wherever you come from. Okay, you understand this? Now that becomes 10. These are the 10 nights of the fast. So Musa salam, Allah says we took a promise from Moses to 30 nights and 10. That means whenever he came for Hajj, he did not sacrifice the cattle. He fasted 3 nights, 3 days. Okay? And when he came back, he fasted again 7 days in Madian. He came from Madian, don't forget that. He is coming from Madian, coming to Mecca, first Hajj, second Hajj, third Hajj. So I believe he did 10. He didn't do 8. He did 10. And I am trying to solve the query. That the month of Ramadan, 30 days, 30 nights. Okay? And for Hajj, 3 nights there and 7 back. 10. So this become 40 nights. The question is solved. You understand what I am saying? That this is a clear cut. 40 nights are, if I also go to Hajj or you also go to Hajj, if you do not find any cattle to slaughter, then you have to fast 3 days there and 7 back to whenever you come home. So that will be added 10 nights for you, 30 nights for the Ramadan and 10 nights for that. So I believe Musa salam did this 10. Now the figure 10 I have to reach. Did he 8 did or 10? Okay. Now first of all, the month of Ramadan has whatever days I will take 30 for solution. The month of Ramadan is 30. Shawwal is 30, 60. It may be 29, but I'm just trying to explain. 30 of month of Ramadan, then Shawwal 30, and Zilhijjah 30. How many? 90. And after Hajj came, the last month is 10 days. So 3 months and 10 days is the Muhtaram or the forbidden months. Ramadan, Shawwal, Zilhijjah, Zilhijjah. 4 months are sacred or forbidden. You understand this? Now, this is 30, this is 30, this is 30 means 90 and 10 becomes 100. Now, if we apply 3 fast during Hajj and 7 coming back, that will become 10. 3 there and 7 back. So for 10 years, look at the coincidence. I'm asking you, look at the coincidence. For 10 years, what he did 10 years, how many days? 3 into 10? 30. And 7 he came back, 70. And 70, 30 is how many? 100. That is 3 months and 10 days. Forbidden months. Did you get it or I repeat again? Repeat again? Repeat again. Okay, I repeat. Look, how many months are forbidden? 4 months. And in 4 months, 3 months and 10 days is the Muhtaram. You understand? Is like every 3 months and 10 days, we have to do Ramadan and Shawwal, Zilhijjah and Zilhijjah. After 10, the days are, month is forbidden or sacred, but after 10 is finished. So this becomes 3 months and 10 days. Now I am trying to explain, if he did 8 years, this number would not arrive. 3 months and 10 days are the forbidden months. So if he did 10, the 3 months or 10 days will come. You understand what I am saying? Do you understand everybody, or I should repeat once over? Huh? You didn't get it? No, tell me, I'll repeat, no problem. Ramadan, Shawwal, Zilhijjah and Zilhijjah. 4 months total, but actually is 3 months and 10 days. So if we see this, it's a coincidence, I'm telling you again, it's a coincidence. Okay, when we take 10 is termed as 10. So we see that 3 fasts he does in Mecca and 7 in Madian. So 10 times if he will do Hajj, that will become 30. And 7 here, 7 into 10 will become 70. And 730 becomes 100. These are 3 months and 10 days. Okay? But now because you are in merchant or navy, I will explain to you one more thing. What happened? The problem came with me is 1 day. 1 day. So I looked in the, you can also search in the in internet, that if you go back into times, like today is how many? 2016. You look at 2015 or you look 2014, so you will never come with 70. After month of Ramadan is maybe 29. The other month is 30. Then the other month is 29. And the other month is maybe 30. So I have to get 3 months clear 30, 30, 30. Then I can get the figures 90 and 10 days. 100. So I have to have every month 30, the other month 30, and the other month 30, which is not possible, apparently. So I did a research. So they say the movement of the moon and the movement of the earth, this I am talking about scientific. So they say if you want to make a calendar, you can have 3 minimum, maybe 4, but if you want, I'll put it 1 less, 4 months continuous 30, 30, 30, 30. That's a fact, scientifically. Other months you can 29, 30, 29, 30, 29, 30, all right. So I found out that if I want to make a calendar, so I have to look at the scientific fact which says in which time factor you can do 3 months consecutive 30, 30, 30, 10. You say after Ramadan, we say 2 months and 10 days Bakrid will come. 2 months and 10 days, 2 months and 10 days. So now the calendar, if you want to make a calendar, make on to 30, 30, 30. But we always say by mouth, 2 months after Ramadan, we say 2 months and 10 days. So I looked up into from this year and backwards, it is almost 69. It is now coming 70. But we always say 2 months and 10 days. In the mind we have got 70. So, you understand? So this is also, that is why I am saying it can be we went 10 to 10 comes the complete figure.